Good morning, ninth and 10th grade. This is the message for Thursday, and it is April 9th. So let's take a look at what we have on the schedule today. Today, the only thing that is new in the box is the vocabulary quiz. I need you to remember before you get started that this covers both week 1 and week 2, so it's cumulative, okay? Hopefully that will actually be helpful a little bit. And then don't forget to turn in your reading guide week 1 and vocabulary week 1 if you're finished with them. So this is the last day of our week. You are not getting new material posted tomorrow or new material posted on Monday, and I will be checking messages, but not as often. So if you are a little bit behind, this is a great opportunity to catch up and be ready to go with new material next Tuesday. Okay, so have a great day. It looks like it might be a little sunnier than they said it was going to be. That would be great. I'll talk to you later. Bye.